Funding your degree abroad. There are many possible ways through which you can fund your foreign education. Some of the most effective ways are research or training assistantships. RA or TA are usually difficult to get, but if you have relevant experience in teaching or some research projects, it can be a cakewalk, provided you fulfill their criteria, and of course, there should be an opening. Assistantships are slightly different to scholarships. Instead of simply awarding a grant for graduate study, assistantships provide a fee waiver and/or stipend in return for services to the institution. Assistantships are more common for research students, but they can be offered as a means of funding for master's students in the US. For this, keep checking with the department staff, concerned professor, or the lab staff in which you want to work. Also, keep an eye on lab webpage and homepage. Fee waiver or scholarship from university. Scholarships are awarded to cover the cost of tuition fees, though some also include a grant or regular stipend to help pay for accommodation and living costs. Your university will either pay you a lump sum calculated to be sufficient for your program, or will simply waive the cost of your tuition fees up to a certain amount. Mostly, scholarships are merit based. If so, you will be required to maintain a certain GPA score in assessments during your course. To avail this, you need to apply before a certain deadline. These deadlines depend from university to university. Internships or co-op programs. This is the best possible way to get some substantial amount of funding. Get an internship after your first year, and trust me, you will be able to pay the fees for your third semester on your own. Co-op is a very good option where you can work for an entire semester and can earn approximately enough to pay for your one semester fees. Co-ops are usually paid more than interns. Charities, trusts, and special interest groups. There are lots of trusts and charities which provide scholarships to students going for higher education from India. Indian trusts like KC Mahindra and INLACS provide a total of 50 plus scholarships for higher studies in the US, with a total of 10 crore rupees up for grabs. Not only this, it is also very easy to avail these scholarships. Many religious, cultural, and ethnic groups also provide scholarships to people from their community. Scholarships by TOEFL and IELTS. Educational Testing Service or ETS, the administrative body of TOEFL, offers scholarship to deserving students every year. Similarly, British Council, the administrative body of IELTS, also offers scholarship to Indian students. There are plenty of scholarships available, just keep a check. Employer and company loans. If you are starting your postgraduate or graduate studies after a period of work, you may be able to persuade your employer to sponsor your education. Many companies are supportive of staff training and development, and many even have a budget set aside for the personal and professional development of their employees. But this usually comes with bond. Most probably, they will ask you to sign a bond. As of now, it is not very famous in India, but many companies do keep this as an option. Last but not the least, bank loans. Bank loans are the most common way of funding a foreign degree. People who are unable to secure any other form of funding often use this option to make their dreams come true. After the completion of one's degree, one can repay these loans over a period of time. If you run into issues, we are always here to help you. You can ask your doubts in the comment section below, or just book a free counseling session with us. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching.